Yeah.
Put your ears up.
There you
Take
go.
another picture. There you go. Let's see. Be photogenic.
There's a video. Come on. Thank you. Come on.
Count. I'll do some trigger tricks.
Right. What a pretty horse. Uh-huh. What a beauty. Are you a beauty? You're a beauty. You're a terror, right? This is Irish Terror. Say something for the audience. Say something for people in Ireland and Scotland. Go on. Top of the morning to you. I won't have it. Can you? All right, here we go. Come on, stamp your foot. Come on. She says, this girl's crazy. What a crazy girl. You're a beautiful horse. Hopefully you'll be a beautiful racehorse. And that's it. Say goodbye to the people. There you go. Say goodbye. We're leaving now. Okay. He's trying to break free. He's trying to break free. He says, let me out of these chains. I wasn't meant for these chains. Were you? Are you going to be a good racehorse? Are you going to tear up the tracks? Show me how you're going to tear up the tracks. What are you going to do when you get on the track? What are you going to do when you get on the track? You going to beat all the other horses? You got that right, Skippy. It's hysterical. Well, okay. We're going to go now. Say goodbye. See you on the track. See you on the racetrack. Are you a squib? Are you a squib? Say, who you calling a squib? I won't have it. All right. Beauteous. Over and out.